I know we've talked about this before. Whether we did it before, I don't know. Haven't we done this before? Quotients as mixed numbers, taking fractions. And here, let's write the example. Divide this problem. Make sure I get it right. 50 divided by 3. 50 divided by 3, and write your answer as a mixed number. Have we ever done this before?
I feel like we
As a mixed number. I believe I gave you this speech before, but let's do it again. There are times, you know, right now when you're doing division problems, you say your answer is something with a remainder of 5 or whatever, remainder 7, whatever it is. But in the real world, there is no such thing as a remainder. Like, for example, I have $7, and I'm going to split it up equally among 3 people. I have $7, and I split it up among 3 people. Everybody's going to get $2. I have this one left over, Frankie. What is remainder 1 of $1? How much are you going to get? Everybody gets 2 whole dollars, and then there's this remainder 1 left over. Yeah. Here's the look on Frankie's face. All right. There's no such thing in the real world. When you're doing real world math problems, you know, you don't ask your parents for a remainder of anything. You say, "Hey, Mom, could I get 7 remainder 2 tater tots from that thing there?" No, because you don't know what a remainder 2 is, and that's the way things are with this. So we need to do something different with division if we need to tell somebody what we're looking at or looking for. So here's the deal: if you're dividing 3 into 50, we haven't talked about this before. Divide like normal. That's the start. That's step number 1. So I'm going to divide 3 into 50. 3 does go into 5 how many times? Have we forgotten our little DMSB, divide, multiply, subtract, break down, or Mrs. Luke's thing was? Gums, whichever way you want to do it, gums. Goes into, 3 goes into 5 one time. You write your whatever under this, right? That's what it said. No, it would be multiply. Wait, what does gums mean? Forget it. Goes into, what's the use? Up on top, yes, and then multiply, and then subtract. Got it. So I bring this down, and I come down with this, and 3 goes into 20 6 times, so I put it up there, I multiplied. Now here's where things go a little stranger than whatever. When I subtract 18 from 20, I get 2. But rather, this sure seems familiar, but rather than writing a remainder of 2, Maggie, what am I going to do?
Make a fraction.
Make a fraction by
Putting the 2 on top and putting the number on the side under it.
well, not on the side. Putting the 2, this 2, your remainder goes on top of that fraction. And then on the bottom is the divisor. It's 16 2/3. You sure we didn't do this before?
I
feel like we forgot everything. I think I probably did this little thing here. You know, I have 7 cookies.
Okay, I remember this.
Yes, you said 7 pizzas.
7 pizzas. Well,
Same.
who eats a whole pizza? But yeah, that's the answer. So the gist of this is this, and rather divide like normal, but instead, write this down. You take your remainder, make a fraction with the remainder on top. My handwriting is getting worse. The remainder on top, and the divisor on the bottom. I knew we talked about it, but it's good to review. On top, okay, Now for just generic division problems, it doesn't matter, but when you have story problems, like the next one, you really gotta think that has to be a mixed number. We have to put our remainder as a fraction because nobody really knows anything else. Ready? Here's the problem we have to do right here. A 15-foot long board is cut into 4 sections. A 15-foot board, for those of you who are going to be carpenters, is cut into 4 equal pieces. How long would each be? And again, there is no such thing as a remainder 3 of a board, so this is where you'd have to write your fraction. And I know it's a division problem because I'm taking 15 and cutting it into 4 equal groups. So I do my 4 into 15. Working on my gums. And we could, you could draw a picture, I suppose. Here's your 15-foot board. 15 feet from here to here. And I'm cutting it into 4 pieces. How long would each chunk be? How many times is 4 going to 15? 3 whole times. 12. Okay, I don't have such a thing as a remainder 3 of a board. So what am I going to do with that remainder, Frankie? I'm going to. And what's my fraction going to be? The 3 goes on top.
3 3/4.
Yeah. So each piece would be 3 3/4 of a foot. Guaranteed if you added those all together, you are going to get 50. I believe generally they will probably tell you that you need to write your answers as mixed numbers. If they tell you to write it as a mixed number, that's what you need to do. You will still have to do regular division problems. You can leave as remainders, but if they tell you to write your answer as a mixed number, that's what you need to do. Let's do one. What if the problem is 21 divided by 4? As a mixed number, it would be what is my answer? 21 divided by 4. If you do that problem out and divide 21 by 4, Addie, what'd you come up with?
1/4 or 5 1/4.
5 1/4, I believe, is correct. 4 goes into 21 5 times, that's 20. Instead of saying remainder of 1, you take the 1, put it over the 4, and you get 5 1/4. Anybody think they're going to struggle with that? Or this one, 31 divided by 8. Usually if they give you a problem in fraction form, you should write your answer in fraction form. How many times is 8 going to 31?
3.
3 times, which is 24. 31 divided by 8. 3 times is 24. What's left over? 7. I don't write remainder 7 because I was told to write it as a mixed number, so it is, Colin?
7/8.
7/8. 7/8. This is very good.